and welcome to a video about general mathematics, specifically application of piecewise function in a real life problem. I'm Professor Michael. I'm a professor, got a lab coat and a professor's hat, and we're going to solve a new problem, specifically a quite simple one. Let's go on with it. But first, what does a piecewise function look like? This is what a piecewise function looks like. Hard and confusing is what I can say about it, but you will definitely understand how this works after I show you the solution for this problem. The problem. A boy named Thomas is planning to sell t-shirts as a fundraiser. The wholesale t-shirt supplier charges 95 pesos for the first 75 shirts. After the first 75 t-shirts, he purchased up to 150 shirts. The supplier will lower its price to 80 per shirt. After he purchases more than 150 shirts, the price will decrease to 60 per shirt. 3 equations can be made from our given problem. This is the first. F of x is equal to 95 times x if x is less than or equal to 75 shirts. The x represents the exact number of t-shirts Thomas bought from the vendor. The equation basically means that if the exact number of shirts Thomas bought from the vendor is less than or equal to 75 shirts, then we'll multiply that exact number by 95, because one shirt each costs 95 pesos. The second is this: 80 multiplied by x if 75 is less than or x is less than or equal to 150 shirts. In simpler words, if the exact number of t-shirts Thomas bought was greater than 75 but is less than or equal to 150 shirts, then we'll multiply the exact number by 80. The last is this: 60 times x. If x is greater than 150 shirts, it means that if the exact number of shirts was greater than 150, then multiply the exact number by 60. How much would the cost be if Thomas buys 80 shirts? Because Thomas bought 80 shirts, we'll be multiplying it by 80. 80 by 80 is equal to 6,400. Our final answer will be 6,400 pesos. And now the second question is, how much would the cost be if Thomas buys 220 shirts? Because he bought 220 shirts, it's more than 150. We'll be multiplying it by 60. 220 by 60 is equal to 13,200. The final answer is 13,200 pesos. The last question is, how many shirts were purchased if the cost is 20,000 pesos? Since the price is that high, it's common sense to think that Thomas bought over 150 shirts. So we'll divide 20,000 by 60, and the final answer is 333 shirts. Now, after watching this video, I hope that you know how a piecewise function works. If you do, thank you for watching.